Hydration is defined as the process of causing something to absorb water. When it comes to properly hydrating our bodies, we must remember that water is an essential nutrient and our bodies cannot make a sufficient amount of water on their own. That is why it's so important to drink enough water each and every day. There are a number of benefits that come along with being properly hydrated. Someone who drinks enough water will most likely experience increased energy levels, improved immunity, proper regulation of body temperature, and reduced hunger cravings. In addition, water protects and lubricates our body's muscles and joints, helps digest food after a meal, and assists the body in getting rid of waste. So now you may be wondering, how much water do I need to take in order to experience all of these health benefits? First, it is important to note that the CDC defines daily fluid intake by the amount of water consumed from foods, plain drinking water, and other beverages. Daily fluid intake recommendations vary by age, sex, and pregnancy or breastfeeding status. Recommendations can also vary depending on the climate you live in, your activity levels, and your current health status. However, in general, the CDC recommends that females take in at least 11 cups and males at least 15 cups of fluid each day. The healthiest way to reach this goal is to choose water as your beverage choice most frequently. An easy way to remember how much plain drinking water you should drink each day is to shoot for half of your body weight in ounces. For example, if someone were to weigh 150 pounds, they would want to drink at least 75 ounces of water alone each day. Sugary drinks are the leading source of added sugar in the American diet. You would be surprised to learn how much sugar is added to popular beverages such as soda, sweetened teas, juices, and sports drinks. Sugar can often be disguised in an ingredients label under names like corn syrup or high fructose corn syrup, sucrose, maltose, fructose, or cane juice. While beverages with caffeine are not harmful in moderation, it is important to know that these beverages can act as a diuretic, causing you to urinate more frequently and lose fluid. Water is always going to be the best beverage choice, but it is unrealistic to assume that water is the only drink consumed on a daily basis. Let's go back to the added sugar discussion. The American Heart Association recommends that males consume 9 teaspoons or 36 grams of sugar or less every day. This recommendation for females is only 6 teaspoons or 25 grams of sugar. This includes all sugar in the daily diet, not just sugar from beverages. But like we discussed before, sugar-sweetened beverages are the leading source of added sugar in our diets. Take a look at these popular drink choices and the amount of sugar in each product. 1 cup of chocolate milk contains 22 grams of sugar. That's almost the amount of sugar a female is supposed to consume in a whole day. And that 20-ounce bottle of Coke, it contains 130% of the daily recommended amount of added sugar. This is why plain drinking water is always going to be the healthiest choice. Consuming lots of fruits and vegetables can also be a healthy way to stay hydrated. Lastly, if you are choosing a beverage other than water, it is important to be aware and informed of the nutrition information, especially the added sugar content. Keeping these things in mind on a daily basis can help you stay hydrated, healthy, and well.